If the Honda Pilot was a high school student, it would certainly be considered an overachiever. It is well regarded by the automotive press, seems to achieve and excel in all categories: efficiency, space, reliability, technology, comfort, safety. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're going to talk about this 2020 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive EXL trim package. Let's dive in. This is a nice clean example we took it on trade. Beautiful shape inside and out. It has a little over 100,000 miles on it. Usually most vehicles we take it on trade with over 100,000 miles on them, they're gonna go right to the auction. We don't wanna sell any problematic vehicles. We have a 5-day, 500-mile return policy here. And we don't want cars coming back, angry customers. So really, vehicles of over 100,000 miles need to be in above average condition, pass our rigorous safety and mechanical inspection for us to consider selling them on our lot, like this one did. And it is in great shape, and it's no surprise, you know, Hondas generally seem to make it through our shop with over 100,000 miles, quite often in other makes. I'm not going to name names. And just Honda has an amazing reputation for reliability and build quality. I've seen a lot of these Pilots with 300,000+ miles. It uses a 3.5 liter V6, a workhorse engine for Honda's product line in its luxury division Acura. We can find this engine in a wide variety of vehicles. They put it like in the Honda Odyssey. It makes about, I think, 280 horsepower. It's efficient, very, very reliable, smooth, powerful, fun to drive. Making this Pilot fun to drive, even though it's a big 3-row crossover SUV. Once you get behind the wheel and get this thing moving, it's actually quite nice. And it's a great minivan alternative. The Pilot's Honda's largest crossover SUV, a lot bigger than the HR-V and the CR-V. We pretty much have a SUV for all categories, and this is a category for the growing family with 3rd row seating, nice spacious interior. This has nice all-season match rear climate control, integrated sunshades. Those are nice for kids in car seats. Looks fantastic in black. This has a tow hitch. When you upgrade to all-wheel drive, that ups the tow rating now up to 5,000 pounds and properly equipped. That is awesome for a vehicle like this. That's usually something that you'd find, or tow rating you'd find like in a compact pickup truck, like a Ford Ranger or Toyota Tacoma. Power rear liftgate. Of course, you can fold down the 2nd and 3rd row seats flat, turning it into a cargo van for those big Costco or IKEA trips. You have a little bit extra storage under here. Nice color combination on black on black. Nice WeatherTech all-season mats. We have lots of driver's assistance and safety features. You have adaptive cruise control, steering assist. This one has heated seats, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. Yeah, look at that, 101,138 miles, still running fantastic. Nice infotainment system of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and we have a rear parking camera. Thanks for joining me in this walk-around video of this 2020 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive. One fantastic 3-row SUV, great for families. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area, located in Auburn, Washington. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.